Check it.
Capital One Arena is located downtown Washington, D.C. We are a multi-use facility. The size of the arena is about 1.3 million square foot of usable space. Typically, well over 1 million people come through the doors annually. I'm Chris Ashley. I'm the Senior Director for Engineering and Facilities at Monumental Sports and Entertainment. It's a very exciting time to be at the arena. We are re-envisioning what this arena will look like in the coming years. So the decision to upgrade the generator was made well before we started talking about the renovations to the arena.
They were having issues with their 27-year-old 1750 kW generator, and they had decided it was time for an upgrade.
With our existing generator, we were at capacity, so we knew we had to upsize our generator, but also being able to parallel that generator with other standby generators. It's just opened the door for us to continue to grow and add other pieces of equipment to that generator system.
This will be providing power for all of the life safety lights legally required, and some optional standby, and a new fire pump, which has also been installed as part of this makeover for the arena.
We take life safety very seriously here, having visits from the president, dignitaries from other countries, and the fans. And that generator plays into being able to evacuate people safely in the event of emergency. So it is an integral part to the operation of the arena. Knowing that, we wanted to pick a product that I knew was going to be a reliable product with a reliable partner. We had already had a relationship with Kelly, provided excellent service for us, and I had dealt with several Generac products at different facilities. So we knew it was a solid product. It was definitely a no-brainer to bring them on as a partner for this project.
Regularly, we set, I'd say, somewhere in the neighborhood of a 350 kW on a roof in DC. We actually had to have a structural analysis done of this building to ensure that it would be able to withstand the base tank and the actual generator itself being on the roof, being a 2 megawatt unit.
This has been a tough project with the location, how big the building is, the beams on the roof, and tight location of where the gen's located.
So Generac has supported us greatly with their Power Design Pro program that we used originally. We took all the loads of this venue, plugged it into the program, made sure that we were going to be sized correctly. We also had extremely tight timelines with this project, and Generac was able to back us up and made sure that we were able to meet those.
One of the differentiators that Generac brings is we offer a level of factory support that I believe is unrivaled by competitors in the market, and that helps both the engineer, the design engineer, and the contractor produce a more comprehensive solution and also reduces risks to the project's execution.
The Capital One Arena is looking at this as a set it and forget it type mentality. So we plan on coming out here minimum of 4 times a year, but we do have an on-call service. We have a whole rental fleet that we can back them up with should we need to do any type of repairs. But we'll be out here 24/7 for them if needed.
Energy for everything for me means not just the emergency generator, but also standby coverage and coverage for our artists and events.
I mean, it's energy for DC entertainment.